In this video, we're going to discuss whether or not a linear function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. And basically, that is going to depend entirely on the value of the slope of the function. If the slope of the function is a positive number, then we say that this function is going to be increasing. Essentially, if you have a positive slope, you're going to be going up to the right, up and to the right, up and to the right, and you're going to end up with a function that is slanting up to the right and then increasing. So this happens when we have a positive slope. If we have a function that's decreasing, that's going to be a result of having a slope that is negative. And if the function is constant, it is because we have a slope that is exactly equal to 0. And taking a quick look at each of these, if we have a negative slope, we're going to be going, say, perhaps down one, right one, down one, right one, and then looking at a slanted line that is going to end up being decreasing. If we have a slope that's exactly 0, it means that we have essentially no rise over some quantity of a run, and I'm going to have from one point to the next, I don't go up any, but I'm simply going to be running and having a constant function like this. So this happens when we have a slope that is equal to 0. So in this example, we can essentially just look at these linear functions and tell from the equation whether or not it's going to end up being increasing, decreasing, or constant. Because this slope is equal to -2 and that's less than 0, we would say that this function is decreasing, right? It's going to end up slanting down to the right when we graph it. And then because this slope is equal to 3, which is greater than 0, it's going to be an increasing function. And here we have y is equal to a constant, right? Y is equal to -4 is basically, if we were to graph it, it's going to be a horizontal line through the y value -4. That is a constant function, but we could also think about this algebraically by looking at f at x is equal to -4 is the same thing as 0 times x minus 4, and the slope of this line has to be 0, which means that the function is a constant function. So algebraically we can tell that it's a constant because or a constant function because the slope is equal to 0. If we were to graph it, we could look at it graphically and see that we're a straight line across, so also that would be an indicator that we have a constant function here for part C.